Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to quit and fully close programs and applications here in macOS. You will notice it's a little bit different than in Microsoft Windows. For example, I have some windows open here. This is Microsoft Edge, and if I click the X, yes, it closes the window, but you'll notice the program is still running, and we can see that down here. There's a dot next to the icon for Microsoft Edge. And so a couple ways you can fully close the program is if the name is still up here on the top left, you can just click on the name of the program and go to quit, and you will now notice that it is fully gone. Another thing you can do is if you just come down to the icon and hold down the control button on your keyboard and then click on the icon, there's a quit option right here you can click on. And then another way, if needed, you can come up to the Apple icon, go down to force quit. This will list all the applications and programs that are open and running. You just select the one you want to close and then click on force quit and then force quit. And now the program is closed. That is everything for this video, but if you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the subscribe button, the thanks button, and that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.